Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Well, let's start with opening the settings and here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and we will be immediately transferred to this Google backup section. So let's tap on next, tap on add account, and make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data like the contacts, call history, device settings and text messages. It's up to you. Just mark the option and tap on confirm. And as you can see here, we've got the confirmation, so just tap on manage backup. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And right now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.